Have you ever wondered why we spend so much time upset about things or hurting inside? I'm Dr. Donna Rockwell. I'm a clinical psychologist. I'm the founder and CEO of Already Famous with Dr. Donna. I did my doctoral research on the psychology of fame and celebrity. Since I used to work at CNN, I know a lot of famous people. And I want to tell you something. We don't need to be famous with the outside world because we're already famous in our family, in our community, and we need to focus on that and not try to be part of something external to ourselves. The social media algorithm sucks us in. It pulls us into a negative place because it needs us to crave more. It needs us to say, I'm not enough. But that's a lie, because we are enough. And if we learn how to begin again, we can dismiss these thoughts that are not helpful. We can let them go. So I hope that you watch my videos on YouTube so you can learn some of these techniques on how to let go, how to return to now, how to fully indwell in the present moment so that you feel a sense of exhilaration, a passion for life, and a reason for being. Without that, life feels dark and flat, but there's so much beauty in the world, and we may miss it if we don't learn how to return to right here, right now. We can use the breath for that. We can use the breath to return. If we can do that, we calm our entire central nervous system, and we can be present in the here and now for ourselves, for our family, for our friends, and for our life partners, so that we can actually hear them and see them, and they us. So the next time you're feeling upset, simply let go of the past and let go of the future and put yourself in the right here and the right now of now. And when you do that, you will be present with yourself. You'll be in a state of self-love and self-embracing, self-nourishing, and self-nurturing. So remember, return to now to find your true essence. You are already enough, just the way you are. And you're already famous in all the ways that really matter. So I hope to see you on Already Famous with Dr. Donna. Every day I hope you like my page so that you get notifications and can see all the gems that I love to share. And I'll see you there.